Numit nini chupnna tang manga amadi taruk tagi cathathakhiba amagi ahanba lengba kumei simai paoshete lisingini taramapan gi thouram Mao AC manung channa leiba Saranamai khaikho village ki local ground da Saranamai union amadi paoshete committee na sinduna pangthokhre kumei adugi mapung oiba thouram oina louda khunja singna nga faba isai nongmai amadi khul gi piba singna mukna sangdam nakhi kumei adugi hagdokpagi thouramda chief guest oina saruk yakhiba advisor rural development Nagaland government of Nagaland gi Dr. Naiki Saili Niki Kirena hai ngasigi mirolna layoi khraba ahal singna thambiramba nat ki channa kanglon sing asi ngasi fauba kaihandana ngak senduna thamlamba asi aduki matik pukningda nungaijaba poksai amadi asigumlaba kumei asi hena pak sauna pangthokpa yamna tangai phade haiba wafam kaya amsu phongdokhi.
We must not forget, like I said, our tradition, and we must not forget, see, especially today, like I said, in Kohima we had a program. God was so good to us. He has given us a beautiful weather today. Don't pray asking God to let your team win. That is selfishness. Ask God to help both the teams to play and display a beautiful game so that people will enjoy and may the better team win. I think that is what our prayer should be.
Nakal amaromda Saranamai khaikho village ki secretary Wilson Bemai na hai ama horokpada khunja sing amat oina lengba asina adugi mahai marong hena puthokba ngamgani haina ngalingai ahal singna thajaba thamlamba adugi tung injaraga ngasisu lepa leitana pangthoknarakpagum ngasisu pangthokcharibani kumei asida Manipur khakta natana naknana leiba state Nagaland dagisu khunja kaya laktuna saruk yari kumei asina thangnaba khul sing asi nungsi sanana hingminnaba ngamgani haibagi aset pathajaba thamjari haiba wafam kaya amusu phongdokhi.
I've been celebrating this festival from long decades ago. So many people comes together and enjoy the festivals. We know each other due to this very festival, and like because of this festival we popularize, and then there is a big festival called wrestling, and in this very wrestling many of our relatives like neighborhood villagers, some from Nagaland, they used to come and celebrate with the events,